What up? How's everyone doing? Can you guys hear me okay? Man, we got Nicole for 5 already. Super sticker 5. That's not a super sticker. Appreciate that. Yeah, I pulled up Landwolf, JatB. I saw that comment a while ago. We'll wait for some more people to get in here so I don't have to cover things multiple times. How you guys doing today? Appreciate the 5 from Nicole. Drift could be a good entry again right now for another 25% move. Yeah, I just covered Drift on an update on the channel, which I don't know if any of you guys have Rumble. I've had a Rumble channel for a while now. Haven't done anything with it, but now we're back on it. We're actually streaming on here, X, and Rumble right now. So we'll see if we get any Rumble chats. I only have like 4 followers over there. So yeah, if you have a Rumble account, go follow me over there. What's up, Shad? What's up, Ricky? All right, let's just go ahead and look at this one before a bunch of people pile in here. Want me to look at stuff. How you guys doing? Let's see. But yeah, Landwolf, we've looked at this one before. 11 million market cap. It made a new low from the last time we looked at it, from the low here where we had the fib drawn, so we had to pull it down a little bit. And if this is going to be the bottom, we have three-day candles holding here, so it's been holding up for a week down here on this new low. So to be confirming that is the bottom, you have to get over 002 and then over 33. You're bullish on this. Right now it's still in the downtrend. If this one makes a new high, very decent 52.5, 53x on this thing. But yeah, Landwolf potentially bottoming here. Not a bad one though. Wolf on Solana. What's up, Slava? He says ski on base. Ski on base. Ski mask dog. A lot of good base coins out there. I would imagine this is, damn, this one's already going to the moon. Ski to the moon. Yeah, it looks like the chart that we've been watching on a lot of things. Downtrend was broken, it grinded up, had a little pullback, and now it's going to the moon again. So high to the low, you're over the 786 here at 14, at 1.4, a penny and a half. Next stop up, if it continues here, would be the new high. So you're looking at another 6x to 13 from where you are right now if it stays bullish and continues to run. Yeah, a lot of the base coins are really good. Robbie. Yeah, didn't we look at Robbie? Robbie. What is Robbie on? It'll probably pop up. But I think we looked at it. Yeah, we looked at this one. Damn, 2-hour chart. Yeah, we did the only thing we could do on this one, but we can draw now that it moved. All right, so we'll pull that one off for Robbie. 2 million market cap. High to the low on Robbie. All right, it's back down below the 382. So you need to get back over 2.3 to be bullish again, but if it comes down, it looks like it's going to hold. You can see all the resistance at this level, so it'll probably hold very strongly at 1.6, so it could be a good entry point at that 236 level. But from where it is now, I'll move it, but new high on this one is a 3x. If it comes down to that point at 1.6, then a 3.5x. We said it looks like the new Speedy. What's up, Veronica? What's up, Jim? Yeah, I did an update on drift, and hopefully it holds over the level there and it continues to run. We'll look at it though in a moment. How's Texas doing today? It's actually nice out. Nice, not cool, but a nice breeze that ain't hot and melting your face off. How's it going? Can you do Hoot on Solana? Hoots. What is Hoots? I don't know why I typed 2 H's. Hoot on Solana. I'd imagine it's this one. 1.4 million market cap. Not the greatest looking chart, but we are on 4-hour candles. But yeah, if this is it, then Hoots, high to the low. Right now it's getting stuck right at the 618 at 19. Pulled back already from it, so you're at 14. Once you break over 19, that's your potential breakout point. Breakout to the upside. New high on this one. Oh wow. Jesus. How much is this up already? You bought the bottom on this thing? Wow. Got almost a 200x on it already. Are you kidding me? If this thing goes to a new high of 380x almost. Jesus. Hoots. Came out in October, went to 0. Now it's going to the moon. Damn, that could be potentially a good play. Just throw 50 bucks on this thing. Damn. Do you own Hoot? Hoot's a monster there. Block Lords, $3 easy. What is Block Lords? Yeah, I saw Proppy was pumping. Proppy to the moon. Can you check Doge on ETH? Doge on ETH. Damn, if I had 50 bucks, I'd throw it on Hoot. He said Doge on ETH. This one, the Department of Government Efficiency. I heard about this one. Someone was talking about it on Twitter. Yeah, I had someone in my normal life ask about Dogecoin. Hey, did you see Dogecoin was going up? I was like, no way. No way you're asking about crypto. Yeah, I can't do anything with this. This thing's just extremely bullish all the way around. It's going to the moon right now. Let me see here. Make sure this is it first. No, I didn't get into it. I wish I did. You think it could still run? I already ran. I don't see why it wouldn't just run. It's apparently got buyers. That's why I say gamble play. Throw $50 at it if it potentially goes to a new high. Over 300x. Just for throwing a little gamble seed at it. Up 100% on property. That's how you do it, my man. Matthew's been killing it lately. Matthew is killing it. Let's see what we can do with this one here. Doge. So if we go from the wick high to the low, it's already over the 1618. Potentially coming up to the next stop here at 6.7 and another 3.5x, 260% move here. Potentially. And other than that, The only thing we can do is go low to the high and see your level to stay bullish, which it held perfectly. 35035, you're at 19 at the moment. Damn, all the way back down to 3 pennies, you'd still be bullish to push right back up. But very bullish looking, good looking chart here. There's really nothing to say. Right now it's bullish and it's pushing. 2,000 makers in the last 24 hours. 13,000 holders. Yeah, not bad. What's up, Aaron? Groggy, what's up, Samuel? Groggy by Matt Fury. Banger, check out low token supply. Groggy. I don't know if we looked at that one before or not. Things acting slow. Come on. Oh, an E at the end. Nope. You talking about Grogo? This one? Yeah, we looked at this one before. This is probably what you're talking about. Potentially top signal here. That candle, spinning top. It's over. It's going down. Had a nice run out of the pattern here. Right above the 1618. Didn't quite make it up yet. It still could run another 8x to the next target at 2-1, but that doesn't look the greatest. But it is a meme coin, so that potentially looks like a top here. Maybe it's just going to pull back. But if it does pull back, yeah, it matches up perfectly here. So as long as you're above 208, it's still considered bullish on the macro to push right back up. Make another higher low and then go up for a higher high. Doesn't look bad. Very bullish looking chart. Grogo artificially pumped from a video / group XD. It'll pull back. Yeah, it looks like it pumped out of that little pattern it made. It pumped up, formed a little wedge pattern, and then went again. Yeah, I saw Spell was moving too. It's all leaving without me. But yeah, how's everyone doing? We are streaming now on Rumble for all you guys just coming in here. So if you have a Rumble account, go follow me over there. Getting a backup plan in play just in case something happens here on YouTube. Got to grow the Rumble channel along with Twitter. Let's see here. Yeah, it doesn't show up the Rumble viewers. I don't know why. 2 people on X and 21 on YouTube. All right, we're going back to the other chart now. The only one. How's it going? Kendu Inu on base. Yeah, I think we looked at this one before too. Taking over base. Yeah, this one's still holding up. Looks very good here. Came up, got stuck at the 618 pretty much. Came back down, but let's move this down to where we are now. But you can clearly see there's a pattern being formed here. If you exclude this wick, of course. Little pullback here is always bullish, and then a move back up. But yeah, if this one runs to the new high, which it probably will, 2.5x. But the pattern it tried to form, you can clearly see the strong move up, and then if you exclude that one wick down, bullish triangle pattern, pendant pattern, whatever you want to call it. Another one that looks good inside of a bullish pattern. Chainlink is getting ready to make a move. By the way, I think it has potential to be a number 2 in crypto given what we have accomplished long term. Yeah. Did I miss anything? I wish I would have held drift up to 250 yesterday before selling. Sometimes the trades just keep going. Yeah, as long as you take profits and you're making money, there's no reason to regret anything, in my opinion, at least. Let's go look at oh yeah, I was looking at SUI here. SUI's pumping also. SUI to the moon. It's going to be the next Solana. Alien Base. What is Alien Base doing? Alien Base is still holding up. Nice looking wick there. Chart looks extremely messy, but it's holding over the 236. As long as you're over 27, you're still bullish. You held on all of these candles here. You wicked down, but that looks good. So Alien Base may be getting ready to go again. As long as you hold over 27, not looking too bad. It is below the 1618, but you're holding that other level there. Below 30. So once you get back over 30, we may be back in business. But it all depends on if you hold that level. Yeah, I was probably going to do an update on Proppy, even though I did it recently, but I saw things were moving today. Yeah, this had a massive little move. Massive little move, he said. Yeah, right now it's getting stuck right at the resistance. If you just zoom out, the uptrend was broken. It's back testing it, and it's hitting the 236 here. So that's the reason you're getting stuck where it is right now. So it is at resistance at 2. And then as long as you stay over 130 up to 145, you're still bullish. If you can get over 2, break the trend, then it's extremely bullish. But yeah, it is at resistance right now, just so you guys are aware on Proppy. So from here, it could easily pull back. So just be aware of that. Yeah, this thing had a decent run, decent move here. All the Coinbase coins about to take off or what? Can you guys even see this? Yeah, you can see it. What's up, Teresa? Teresa in the house. I don't know if you've been here before, but welcome in. Yeah, I need to go check and see if I am live on Rumble. Teresa says, get AOS. Yeah, AOS is extremely bullish. We've been looking at it. It looks just like PNG. So if you like the AOS chart, I don't know if you're aware of this, but PNG and AOS are doing the same exact thing. You can see the chart here on PNG. PNG is still not doing anything, still bullish inside of the pattern as long as it holds over 2-1 there. 30 is the price to beat. AOS network is doing the same exact thing as we can see here, same chart. Still holding up. Is it starting to break out? That is the big question. Yeah, we're looking at the 382 here. Damn, if I get this to stay. The chart looks messy here, but this is high to the low. It's trying, or it is over the 382. So if you can stay over 5-1 here, that could kind of tell us it's about to break out. But then we could also adjust the trend here up a little bit. The flag pattern, or whatever you want to call this. Falling wedge, the descending channel. I like it right here though. So maybe over this 5-1.5. You're at 52 right now. If you stay over this low to the high, we're back to being bullish on the price here, short term. Next stop up is, of course, the 5.8 up to our red line, and the 236 here at 6.1. It doesn't look too bad. AOS is potentially about to break out. AOS to the moon. That's my biggest fear, is all these coins pumping and leaving me behind. Even the ones on the bottom in the dirt, the ones that aren't up in bullish patterns, they're slowly, one by one, slowly moving up. Just need XCN. I think Spell. I'll have to go look at Spell. Spell was one of the ones I really wanted to get in on. Yeah, Ondo's still sitting here, making higher lows. Still curling up. That's not the best drawing, but we'll move that. High to the low. It's right at getting stuck at the 382 on the smaller price action here. So 757 here's the price to beat, and then it should come up and make a higher high once again. So once you get over 7.5, it's probably going to end up sending the price up to the macro 236 for that higher high. And then once you get over 9.2, that's a 24-25% move. That's when you'll have a nice spike up. But yeah, right now it's getting stuck right at that level, but it is still curled up here on the bottom, looking very nice. Only a matter of time before Ondo decides to pop. Oh yeah, I need to bring up the other fib for our level here. Bring back the mess. But Ondo, up to an 8.5 billion market cap, up to $596 would give you a 7.5x on this thing. But if it breaks the previous high, next high up is about $2. 160% move from where it is right now. Is Spell really leaving? I need to go back and look at the chat. I don't know what you guys are saying. Spell to the moon. I have staked all my ALB. Okay. Sean, welcome. He says, appreciate your grind. Airweave, please. Airweave. You got a million Spell. How high will she go? Yeah, we got to remember Airweave since he said the kind words. Grinding away here. Spell. Oh, I didn't go to Spell yet. Damn, Spell did have a nice move. But yeah, Spell's one of the ones you guys know that I'm very bullish on. The chart and where it can go to potentially. So it spiked up. It got us through the level it was getting stuck at. So we'll see if it can hold this 3065 level, which you can see is the low to the high 618 after holding very nicely on the 786 here at 49. It's back above the first resistance level here, so good to see. So if we can hold over this 65, maybe she's good to go here. Let's see, this one may also be getting stuck right at the trend line. The previous uptrend is now resistance. It did break above it, so that's good to see, but we'll see what happens. But how high can Spell go? He has 1 million coins. Your moonshot is all the way up here to 14 billion market cap to 9.5 pennies, 138x almost. But the reason I like Spell is it has a lot of good targets. It only does a 0.5 retracement to 003. You're getting a 4.5x. If it comes up to a 618 retracement in a bull market, a 7.5x, and then a good target here would be the 1.5 billion market cap for a 16x, up to 1 penny. So Spell to a penny. Decent little 16x from where it is today. Nice little move. Nice looking chart. I don't remember the last time we looked at Airweave. Damn, did we not have a chart on this? Are you kidding me? How's that possible? Airweave, however you say it. Damn, I could have swore I had a chart on this one. I did some updates on the channel this morning and I was building some charts. That we don't have to always do it on the live streams, because it does take time when a million people, or not a million, when 20 people, 40 people come in here asking for coins constantly. Yeah, high to the low, stuck right at the 786 double top, came down, bounced on the 382, so that's good to see. And it's getting stuck right now at the 0.5 at 18, so 1830, you're at 1840. If you can hold this level here, next stop up is 26. But a nice little spike on everything right now. But if it can hold over that 1830 level, 1838, next stop up is a 45% move. And then low to the high on AR here. Yeah, it came down perfectly and hit the 0.5. Candles held it perfect and it's bouncing. And as you can see, the 382 low to the high is right here on that macro 0.5. So once it gets over this level here, if it stays here, it's back to being at least short-term bullish, even though we are on the larger time frame here. And then I'm gonna have to go look at the market cap to see what this thing can potentially do. But if this one makes a new high, you got a 10, 11x here, up to 215. 11x, not bad. What up, Jetpack? How you doing? SUI, I didn't know SUI was already at a 7 billion market cap. So SUI's going to hit a 50 billion market cap and be the new Solana. AR, FET. Let's see. This thing's at a billion market cap already. All right. So AR has all the coins in circulation. They're already at a billion market cap. That is very bullish to see all the coins out. So what do we say it can go to? 215 bucks on AR. But how you guys doing that are coming in? Hopefully you guys are doing good. What you guys up to on the weekend? What was I gonna do? Oh, all right. So this is very possible for this thing to hit the new high. If it goes higher, so be it. But right now, if you hold to a new high, 14 billion, 11.5x. All the coins are in circulation, so that's highly possible. So a good, solid 10, 11x, 12x play here. I'll have to remember Airweave. Where can you buy that at? How's it going, Charles? Octavio says GFI. GFI. Block Lords only had a 10 million market cap, 15 million in supply. Yeah, I was looking at, not looking at the chart, but I saw it on CoinGecko. I was thinking about making an update on it for the first time. So I'll probably go make an update on that one. Block Lords. What's up, Lucas? How's it going? G7 says GFI broke my heart, but it's looking good again. All right, since y'all are talking about GFI. Yeah, GFI, we look at it all the time on all the live streams pretty much. Yeah, it's still stuck in the downtrend, but it simply came down, hit support again. Let me pull this up to where we can see it. But it just repeated what it did in the past. Pulled away from the trend line here, dipped down, held support and bounced. And now it did it again. It pulled away, came down here, hit support and bounced. It is back above the 166 and 179 here, our red resistance box. So if it can hold here and get above this, I'll turn this green for support. And then to see if this thing can potentially break the downtrend, which it needs to do already. It looks like it needs to get over the 382, so about 206. If it can get over 206, then it's bullish and it's going to break the downtrend here. So that's your big price to watch now, as long as you stay above our box. But that potentially was the bottom. The big question is, can it finally break the downtrend, or is it going to get stuck again and come down more? But yeah, it broke your heart, but it's coming back. She's coming back to you. And then GFI, new high, 52, 1272, 4.2 or 4.4 billion market cap. So GFI still got a decent run in her. 29x from where it is right now in a downtrend up to a new high at a 4 billion market cap. But yeah, that should have been it on GFI. It should start moving up. If it comes back down and makes a lower low from that low, then she's done. Trade her in for a new one, I would say. He says, I'm good, just hanging out, watching Texas Tech Colorado game. Texas Tech, Red Raiders. Yeah, SUKU was pumping. He says, thanks. How's SD looking? What's SD? D stands, how's it going? GFI only dumped because they had a loan default. Yeah, I think you told us that before. So what happened in the past when they dumped back here or back here? Did someone say well? I always expect someone to come in here and say well. Where's Mr. Long at? Oh yeah, Lucas said Moonwell and Cetus Protocol. Moonwell and Cetus. Damn, we don't have a chart for Cetus. Time to put in the work. Cetus Protocol, Gate.io chart. Damn, Cetus is pumping also. It pumped because it was in a bullish pattern. It was accumulating inside of a very bullish pattern there. Oh damn, I'm gonna have to pull this over. Yeah, it was inside a bullish pattern, holding over the 618. Broke right through the 786 here. So as long as you're above 25.5, could very well have topped out here. We'll see. Slightly lower high from the previous low, or the previous high all the way back here in May of 2023. But yeah, we're matching up here. So if it stays where it is now, as long as you're over 25.5 here, you're holding the 786 and you're holding the 236 here to stay bullish. And even more short term, can't speak today. If we want to draw on the small time frames, let's go down to the 3-day. Yeah, it's holding up here on the 3-day at 3.4. So as long as you hold 3.4, it's potentially still bullish to continue pushing here. So just keep it that simple. And then where's this one going to end up? Well, if it breaks the previous high, then it'll come to the 1272 next. So it has to break over 50 cents, and then it'll spike up almost 187% to 117. Well, is well still holding up? Oh yeah, but the pattern I was saying was clearly, if you just look at the time frame here, made that high and then made a lower high, and then you can see these candles going up, making higher highs. Not the best looking, but you can still see it. It was just accumulating inside of a bullish triangle pennant pattern, especially after the strong move up. So she was bullish in here, holding up and holding up in the pattern. Well, Did we do Proppy? Did I skip over Proppy? Maybe I did skip Proppy. Yeah, we just did Ondo. Ondo looks good. He says, "What is going on here?" What you mean? What you talking about, Willis? Damn, you guys are late to the party. We did Grago, Elixio. We did Grago on ETH. Silver, I missed you coming in here. How's it going? Hit the likes. Yeah, hit the like button, everyone. Got 40 people in here now. Jeez, we got 40 on YouTube, 3 on Twitter. I need to go check Rumble. All you guys coming in here now, if you got a Rumble account, I am on Rumble now. I am streaming on Rumble right now. So we're streaming in 3 different places right now. Not bad for not even 40 minutes in. Got 40 people here. Everyone ain't got nothing better to do on Saturday but just chill out and listen to crypto stuff, huh? He says, Ray, please. How do you say your name? Jawar? Jawar. Talking about Radium. Radium to the moon. Is Radium still going? I just did an update on the channel for that one. Let's look at Well first, and we forgot Proppy apparently. Yeah, Well's not doing anything. It's still in the same exact spot. You guys are crazy. It's not doing anything. As long as you're above 6.4, if we zoom into smaller time frames and draw it to this pullback, it's still above that 6.4 to 6.6. 8 your price to beat. If you can get back over 8 short term, it's more bullish than it should be. But as long as you're over this 6.4 to 6.6, this thing is still hanging out in bullish. So it's either going to repeat history or it's going to hold here, and it made a slightly higher low on this candle here. So it could be trying to form a very bullish pattern here. So we watch it all the time here. So if we hold up inside of this pattern, which we just went over on the other one, you know, it could be gearing up to go again. As you can see there, that's a very bullish pattern. But when I say repeat history, it's top it out and then kind of come all the way back down. Because as we know, Well was bullish, and then where is my stupid thing at? Oh, there it is. But it came up high to the low, got stuck right at the 618 at 10.4. So until you get over that, it's going to continue to just chop around here. That's your reversal to the upside point over 10.4. But it looks like it could be forming a very bullish pattern here. But it's still bullish over those levels, so not done yet. We don't really have the confirmation that it's done. Well to the moon, I guess. Pro was pumping today. Didn't we go over Pro? Yeah, we just went over Pro. What you talking about, Willis? It came up here, it's stuck at the trend and stuck at $2. It needs to get over $2 over the 236 low to the high. It's over the 382, so as long as you're over 130, 145, you're still bullish. If you can push through 2, it'll get you over the trend and you'll be in good shape at that point. But right now, like I said earlier, it's getting stuck at resistance right now, at a level on the fib and the previous uptrend line here, almost perfectly. So it is at resistance, so it could very well pull back from here. Question is, can you stomach if you're still holding, which it's already coming down, for it to pull all the way back down to these levels and potentially drop 26%? But yeah, we're getting a nice spike on a lot of stuff. What's up, Ben? A-Dog, he says, looking at another one, it's called Slippy. Matt Fury's coin, only 600K. Slippy. You guys never did find the other one, though. There's another Matt Fury coin. It's a cat in a suit on a helicopter. It looks like Grand Theft Auto on the picture. I do not remember it, and I can never find it again. It says it's a Matt Fury thing, but it was some rich cat on a helicopter. It looked all badass. Skinny white cat. Maybe someone can find it. It's on Solana. I'll go look at Slippy, though, in a minute. We look at so many good coins on Deck Screener, so many good gamble plays. Man. Oscar, yeah, I appreciate the words. No problem. Just joined. How about Proppy? Yeah, I just went over it twice. Elixio says VAR update. Yeah, I did a VAR update on the channel today, so go check that out. The bottom is either in and it's going to get over the level, or it's going to go make a new low. Samuel said, I just added Rumble. Good deal. Yeah, everyone should go add Rumble. If AXGT passes 4, it's going to go to price discovery. Yeah, I guess we're going to go back over to the other one. Yeah, we'll go back over to Deck Screener. What's up, Jack Sparrow? He says, did you buy any flip? It's up from yesterday. No, I did not. I'm still just holding my small bag of Soul Ordi. All I have left. Every time I swap in and out of coins, I lose all the money. I don't have any money left. And I don't get my YouTube check until the 23rd of this month. So, nope. Let's go back over to Deck Screener. Maybe we'll get over 50 people today. So everyone like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe on Twitter, subscribe on Rumble if you have Rumble. Damn, did I just share the same exact thing? I did. Trying to get Deck Screener back up on here. Kindu's very bullish in a bullish setup. I'll go back to the chat. He said flip is moving. But yeah, the last thing I put my money in was the toad, and the toad went to 0. Someone stepped on the toad and squished him. Oh, you're right. Flip is moving. Damn, it did. Got over the levels. It's over the 382 at 2.5. It's bullish now. Next price to beat is 3.4. Breakout over 4.4. And then to the moon. 6.5x to a new high at 0.02. But yeah, flip is bullish right now. You holding flip? Hopefully you're making some money on it. Watt on ETH. Watt on ETH for Jack Sparrow. Yeah, Charles, I just did an update right before I got on the live stream. Let me check. There's an LCX update I just did on the channel. But it's time for LCX to go up. LCX, I think, bottomed. Let me check my... I don't remember if I uploaded it or not. Yeah, I did. I think it bottomed out. It's time to go up for LCX. It's got 5 million flip. Nice. All right, he said Watt. Let me just keep this up on the screen so I remember Watt, and then we'll do Watt and then Maneki and Ponky for Corey. How's it going, Corey? You doing all right today? Watts. Let's see. Watt. What is Watt? Let me see here. Oh, watt on ETH. This one here. Oh yeah, we looked at this one. Good deal. It pulled back, but it is still over the 236. So as long as you're over 5076, that's your next support to watch. It is making higher lows, so it is still curling up here. If it pumps back up and hits a higher high, then it should come up and break past the 618 and come up to the 786 area and do about a 4x once it moves. But right now it's below, so it may end up coming down, and that would be a 5x from there. And then low to the high on watt. I don't know why they have these buttons on here. Makes it to where you can't do anything in the middle of the screen. It doesn't really tell us anything here. Same level, 618. So it's probably going to hold down here, 618 and 236. Get a nice bounce off of that 618. If it comes down there. Slippy. What was Slippy on Solana? Teresa says, what about SEI? Yeah, SEI. We're bullish on SEI. We'll go back and look at it in a moment if I remember. VAR's trying to break the downtrend. All right, Slippy. Yeah, I just did a couple of updates on the channel. I did Vara. I saw it had a nice little bounce and a move. Maybe the bottom is finally in on Vara. The SEI's got really good potential for this cycle into 2025. Damn, I just typed in SEI like an idiot. Computer's lagging. Slippy. Slippy. This is Ethereum. You said Slippy on what? Oh yeah, a lot of things are like that. When things are pumping, you may not get out. Oh yeah, you said on ETH. Slippy on ETH. Okay, yeah. All right, we'll draw here 3-day candle chart just to see where this thing's going to. 649K market cap, not bad, not even at $1 million yet. All right, high to the low, it just got over the 382, so if you can stay over 5014, you will stay bullish, but you do have this large wick here, so it kind of remains to be seen, but it is making higher highs and it's curled up on the bottom here. So we'll keep it that simple. If you can hold over that, you will stay bullish, and then for this thing to run up to a new high from that level, take you up to 5050 and do a 3.5x once it gets moving. And then if it goes higher than that, of course, then congratulations. Slippy. What's up, Louise? How's your crazy woman doing? 600-ish market cap. Is this not the right one? Oh yeah, this is it. Slippy. Louise says Jassy Pollock. Jassy. Come on, computer. Damn, there it is. It moved up a little bit since we looked at it last night, but still, it's still with the wick getting stuck right at the 0.5 at 3.1. Did make a higher high, and it's curled up, just like a lot of things are. Everything's curling up here. So yeah, I don't know, everything's curling up here. So are we about to have some huge candles spawn in? Everyone's going to start screaming meme season soon, because everything's just going to start going to the moon, because everything is curling up. Things are breaking downtrends and starting to go up a little bit. But yeah, this one doesn't look bad. This one's still a very good play. From where it is right now, 43x to the new high at 1.2. The chef, welcome back. How's it going? He says Toga on Sol. Some devs as GOAT. Released less than 24 hours ago. 90 million in volume. First 24 hours, 12 million market cap. Toga. Probably can't even look at that since it's so new. You got to be very careful with the brand new releases. Yeah, what is GOAT doing? Yeah, I don't see the Toga one. This one came out 7 months ago, 5 days ago, 1 month ago. Maybe it's still in the growing phase. Goats. Whatever happened to Moodinge? Did it do anything? Yeah, Goat's still holding up. Very bullish looking chart on Goat still. Moodang. What does Moodang do? Oh, Moodang went up. Damn, it didn't break out of our little pattern here. We'll get that off before anyone sees it. But Moodang ran so hard already. It's kind of hard to even look at it to put money into it. But it looks good. Made a higher high. Once it breaks through, then to the moon she will go, potentially. Looks like it's just getting accumulated now. Nothing special, I don't think. I think Moodang is probably done. Does it have to be? No. It's a meme coin. You guys must be lagging. We just did Jossie for Louise. Yeah, I'm never going to touch anything that doesn't have some history, even on Deck Screener here, because if you look at the ones that just came out, it's very hard to not pick one that's not going to rug pull. Every time I buy one of those, I get dumped on. Oscar says Fort. Fort and SEI for Teresa. SEI and Forts. That makes me wonder what is DGen doing. Yeah, we've been looking at SEI here, very bullish pattern, high to the low. It's over the 382. It's potentially breaking out right now, depending on where you draw this at, but we'll get confirmed over 4.8 here. You're at 4.5. So if you can get over the 0.5 here, then you're potentially breaking out of this pattern here. A little measured move on this for SEI is potentially going to bring you up about to the 786 level here, if it's going to play out that way. But it does look very good in this very bullish setup here. So if it holds over the 382, breaks over 4.8, you do have the 618 at 59 for a 30% move, but then the measured move takes you up here for about a 76% move to about 80 cents almost. But yeah, it does not look bad here. It's curled up, it's in a bullish pattern, it's over the 382. And even if it does pull back here, SEI, as long as you stay over 39, then it's pulling a mini, or it's pulling on a lot smaller scale. It's pulling a Bitcoin, a Turbo, to where they're holding the level and then they go. So even if you drop 12-13%, as long as you stay over 39 here, I would still be extremely bullish inside of this pattern here. But yeah, SEI is going to be a good one. Get off of my screen. Make sure you guys are still here. But yeah, SEI here, where's it going to potentially end up? We do have a lot of targets on this one. New high would give you a 6.4 billion market cap, a 4x up to 180. Maybe this thing hits a 11 to 12 billion market cap. 330 would give you a 7.5x, and then it all depends on where you think the market cap can reach. $10, 1040, 36 billion market cap for a 23x. But yeah, SEI is in a good setup here. Just while I'm thinking about it, let me look at DGen, and then he said something, I don't remember now. Yeah, same thing on DGen here, same exact chart as SEI. It's curling up. Let me get this ugly looking thing off of the chart. Curling up in a bullish pattern, bull flag pattern, and it's over the 382. Same concept here. About to have a spike up, even though people are getting bearish on DGen for some reason. Something about migration or something. But it looks good here. 35% move up to 1, and then 1.7 would be a 100% move. Low to the high, you're sitting above the 236 also, so you do have the double fib support here. Not looking too bad. If it pulls back, you have to stay over 6.3 to stay inside the pattern, and then of course these prices are the prices to beat. But yet again, another one that does not look bad at all. Getting ready to run. T13, can you do Todd? What is Todd? Crazy Janet is still going down more. Damn. You're still holding it? Charles says he likes the blue Foster, the blow Foster. Yeah, that was a good one. Did you look into the other ones? The Bonk on base, the Pepe on base, along with the blue Foster. All of those coins look so good. Yeah, I agree with Teresa. Most of them are rug pulls. What was that other one I was going to look at? Oh yeah, Fort. Fort. Fort to the moon. Yeah, Forta is the one just like GFI. It's still stuck in the downtrend here. So until it breaks the downtrend, it hit the bottom again, which could very well have been it for Fort. So if you bought down here, if you're buying now, you're buying potentially the bottom on this thing. And if you think it's going to run this cycle, we can simply go low to the high, price to get over to break the downtrend, and to confirm that was the bottom is 12. So that's the price you have to get over right now is 12, and then bullish over 15. But if it gets stuck at the trend again, there's no guarantee it'll come down and hold again. It held twice, but third time, we'll see. It really needs to get over 12 right now and get some momentum up. And then macro over 19 to confirm the bottom. But with all that being said, where's Fort going to end up going? A couple of good retracement levels, I guess, for a bull run. Being the 618 retracement, if it only comes up here and never has that reversal up. 7.5x up to 76 for a 376 million market cap, and then the 786 retracement 675 140 pretty much, and a 13.5, maybe a 14x on Ford here. And I don't know the market cap, but if it makes a new high, you can see that's a massive 77x up to almost $8. I think I saw someone say Render. Render's a good one also. Render's holding up. It's in the downtrend. Let's pull the chart down to where we can see it. But yeah, this one's still stuck in a downtrend at the moment. But it is holding over the 786 here. Let's see what it held. Yeah, held perfectly, 786 and the 0.5. And the price to watch to see if it's going to break the downtrend potentially. If we go high to the low, it's going to be the 382 to be bullish. So to be bullish over 585 and break out over this. So that's pretty much the price you need to watch right now. It's at 580 level. It's at 525 on Render to break the downtrend. And then Render, where's it going? A couple of stops here. 29 billion, 30 billion market cap, 74, 75 bucks is a 14x, be more conservative. 14 billion, $36 would be a 7x. And then once it breaks the downtrend and starts moving, the next big target up, 8 billion market cap, 8.8, almost a 9 billion to 2250. Still a decent move though. 4.5x out of this once it starts moving here. But Render's going to be a good one. He says, why you skip Todd like that? I didn't skip Todd. I saw Todd after we're already on this one. That's why I say, are you guys lagging somehow? When we go back to deck screener, just say Todd. Don't say anything else but Todd. Todd 13 to the moon. Oh, near to the moon. I don't remember the last time we looked at near. What is Todd on? Just tell me what Todd is on. Near looks like Render, stuck in a downtrend, making lower highs here. It's right above the 0.5 at 444. It is curling up on the bottom here, just like Render is. So it may be getting ready to break the downtrend here and start moving. So we'll keep it that simple. You're above the 0.5. Once it moves up, the next big target is going to be, of course, the 618, but 1060 up to the 786 here. Let me move that. I don't know why that was even there. High to the low on this one. Let me pull this out to where we can see it. Damn, yet again, the 382. If you can get over the 382 at 468, that potentially is going to help you get over the downtrend and be bullish. And then once you get over 530, you'll know it. But yeah, if you can get over the 382 here, you're bullish and you'll break the downtrend. But yeah, they look exactly the same. Render and near to the moon at the exact same time. And then near protocol, new high, $47 is going to give you a 10x. So a good 10x play and a 500 or 57 billion market cap. Near protocol. Tranquilio, I can't say the rest of your name. Welcome. He says thoughts on Spell. Yeah, I did Spell already. Very bullish on Spell. It had a little nice little spike up, but it's still down in very good buying opportunity levels in my opinion. But yeah, Spell is one of the ones that I like, but just because you came in here, I'll do Spell for you. Spell had that spike up. Ultimately though, it is still holding. The good thing is it got over this level here, this green line here, where it's been holding on all of these weekly candles for all of these months. Low to the high, final support level after breaking the uptrend here. And the candle did get you above that, but ultimately the big thing is we got back over this red line resistance. Now we should turn it green for support. That is your 618. So it got over the first resistance level off of this nice little spike. Macro bottom is in over 9.6, bullish over 1.8. A lot of targets to watch on Spell. We're not going to talk about Spell anymore, I promise you guys. 618 retracement to 0.05 is a 7.5x, and if it comes up to a 786 retracement in a bull market, which is all the way down here still, is a 1.5 billion market cap and a 16x. He says pile into Spell. Yeah, everyone's going to pile into everything at some point, and then it's going to be too late. So when people don't want something that's all the way down here, like Spell, XCN, whatever else we look at that's way down here like this, if you guys are accumulating down here, then you're going to be the winners, because the whole world's going to pile in when we're all the way up here, already hitting the 618 giant green candle. Oh, my voice. But when we're already up here like this and we have a giant green candle spawning in, we're above the 618 going to the moon, that's when the rest of the world's going to just pile in. And then it's going to do this. Or whatever level it's at, all the way up here. Hitting a new high. They'll all be talking about it all over the place. Did you see Dogecoins at $1? Let's pile in, everyone. Oh man, Doge is at $2. Everyone pile in. And then we sell. I like that word, pile in. They just like open the floodgates and everyone just gets in. It's like they're hypnotized. Giant green candles come in and they can't help themselves. We're going back over to the trusty old deck screener. Get ready to gamble, everyone. Get ready to lose money. I want all the change out of your pockets. We're going to gamble every last coin we have. Todd to the moon. Todd on Soul. I would imagine. Oh, look at Todd. Todd's a little badass over here. Good looking chart on Todd. 800K market cap. Not bad. Let's see what kind of damage Todd could do. Wait, let me make sure this is the right Todd before I talk about it. T13 to the front of the line. Is this the right Todd? You guys in the chat have to answer that. I have no idea. I would say memes are going to run first, because alts aren't going anywhere until ETH breaks the previous high and the Bitcoin dominance falls. and that's not happening anytime soon, I don't think. So even though we do see some alts starting to move a little bit, there's no alt season yet until all that happens. Dog. Oh, I never did check Rumble. But yeah, you guys that are coming in here late, we are on YouTube, Twitter, and Rumble today. So if you have a Rumble account, go follow us over there. And of course, like the video here, share it, get people in here. Let's pile into the stream. But yeah, Todd here doesn't look bad. Good looking chart, higher highs, double bottomed, higher low, and it's still curling up here. Curl up to the moon. High to the low on Todd. Like I said, or like I keep saying, like I said, man, there's a lot of good plays out there. So Todd came up perfectly, hit the 618 at 11.5. It pulled back. It's still over the 382 at 6.5, so you're still bullish over that. But as long as it's making higher highs and the higher lows here, it should hold up in this general area here and move. But you had another one that broke the downtrend, and as I keep saying, it's curling up. Beam season's going to kick in, and we're going to have these giant green candles spawning in all over the damn place. Everyone's not going to know what to do at that point. Everyone want to be adjusting their slippage. No one to be able to sell. So Todd here, new high on Todd. I'm gonna have to get this dog out of this room. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background. A 6x to a new high at 0.05. And then if it goes higher, congratulations. But yeah, you got another one. I know you guys are rich, but if I had $50 to put in Todd, I would. A decent little 6x. It's the right one, okay. Yeah, I guess we'll go look at Crazy Janet. But yeah, Todd's not a bad one. Nice looking chart. Janet. So glad I didn't buy Janet. So glad I pissed her off, huh? Janet to the moon. It did make a new low. Let's see here. Damn, these are the 8-hour candles. I don't know. This thing's still going down. It's not going down fast, but still. I don't want to ask, but are you down a lot already? Don't say the amount, but it hasn't found the bottom yet. And that's the 8-hour candles. But at any moment, it could probably bottom out. So the one only other thing you can really do with this, how much is it down? Yeah, it's down 98%. I think we looked at that last time. So this thing's at the bottom of the barrel. It's probably why it's not dropping like super fast. That's what I would say. It's probably why it's not dropping in rug pulling. And then now where it is, pull this down. Make sure you guys can see deck screener. All right, yeah. Damn these damn buttons. But yeah, this one's going to have a massive move if it comes back to life. Jesus. 236x on Crazy Janet here. All right. I got to go put the dog out. You guys got to give me a moment. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Right, I'm back. What is CPH? Is that a meme coin? You got to be clear on that. Vitor, how's it going? Damn, Sean coming in here hot. He says, can you check Shapeshift, ALCX, QNT, Mask, AVT? CPH is just a regular coin. Is that what you're trying to say? She is a meme. I've never heard of CPH. But yeah, hopefully you heard that on Janet, my man Louise. I want to say we looked at something called She or something like that. Sheena Inu, this one? No, I don't think we have looked at this one. It's going to the moon already. Giant green candle, everyone pile in. Damn, how long has this one been out for? Jeez. She... Well, right now it is making higher lows or lower highs again. If we go from that high to the low, it's above the 236, and right now it's coming up on the 382 here. But like I said, it's making lower highs. Not the greatest looking chart, but once you get over 6082, you're bullish. Breakout is once you finally get over the 618. So you need to break this high and then this high. So if you can get over the 0.5 and up to the 618 at 14.5, then you have something here. But on the short-term price action here, it is making higher highs and it is curled up here. So could very well start moving back up here, but you have to break those previous highs. But it does have a lot of chart history, a lot of pumps, but from that previous high to make a new high is a decent move. 8.5, almost a 9x. 11 million market cap, almost 9,000 holders. I would say at some point it'll run, but you need to get over 8.2 to be bullish. Strong believer in Crazy Janet. I have lost too many Estelle now. Yeah, that's how I was with Arrow. When I was so far down on Arrow, did not want to sell for that much of a loss, but I had to. And that sucks when you have to sell for a loss, for a big loss. I like CTX, CPH. All right, just remind me in a moment. What's up, Trav? Vitor. Yeah, hopefully that helped. We'll go look at that other one in just a moment. Welcome in. We're back under 40 people here. I never did go check Rumble. Someone go over to Rumble and say hi. Trav says, who are you, guy? Who or how? Oh man, Peanut on Soul. Peanut the squirrel, rip. Never heard of Peanut the squirrel until they killed it. Did I spell that right for Peanut? Peanuts. This one? Damn, I don't know if I have the right one. If I remember correctly, they came out with a whole bunch of peanuts. Nine days ago. Yeah, what's the market cap on peanut? He says it's rocket season, baby. We're getting there. Degen Bullrun price 0.14. Yeah, we went over Degen already. Degen's in a very bullish pattern. ADA going absolutely crazy. Universal codes, welcome back. Is ADA pumping? Yeah, what's up, Wes? Yeah, we looked at Spell a couple of times already, but yeah, it had a nice little move. All right, so I don't know where Peanut the Squirrel went. I guess he's already in heaven. I don't know which one it is. We'll have to come back. Peanut to the moon. Damn, if I can get this to come up. Share. Come on. All right, there we go. Oh yeah, we got it on the spell screen right now. Trying to get this stuff to work right. Jeez. All right, back to 39 people. ADA pumping. We looked at Spell. Spell still in a good spot, even though it pumped. Stuck at the trend here, but it is over our line. We turned green here now for support. So if we can stay over 6.7, that is the 618. So got over the first hurdle here. And he said CP something. CPH. What is CPH? I can't wait to get in on some of these like Spell and XCN. CPH. This one? Nice move on it. This is what I'm talking about. There are going to be 1,000 people coming in here when we really kick things off. When everyone's piling into everything and there's giant green candles as far as the eyes can see. As far as you can see, there's going to be green candles forever. Not the biggest respecter here, but it is above the 236 off of that move, off of that final bottom wick. And let's see here. All right, if we simply draw, this is going to be one of the charts where if we simply draw a line where the price is right now, and you can clearly see in the past there's all this support, now resistance here. So we'll simply say pretty much where you are right now up to the 382, you're at 1 penny. So the 1-1 down to 1 penny. I'll go ahead and just draw a box here just because there's a lot of price action in this area. You have to get over this box to be bullish. Red box of death here. If this is the right one, hopefully. Yeah, and you can also see we have a 618 here also. Low to the high, 618 breakout. So we'll just put it at the 618 to the 382. Keep it simple. Well, I just moved it to the wrong area. All right, it has to get through this red box here. And then you could be bullish on it. Breakout over 3 pennies. How high is this one going to potentially go? I have no idea what this one is or does or anything. But a massive move here. 71x up to 70 cents. That is a huge move. 786 retracement. 7 pennies would be a 7.5x. So some decent moves on this one. Yeah, we're gonna go look at ADA, AXGT. Is it moving? AXGT. Yeah, it's still looking not too bad. It's trying to break out of our little pattern here, which it may be at the moment. As you can see, if we pull that down there, little strong move up into this pattern. So it needs to get over 21 here, 21.5, and then that's pretty much confirming the breakout and you're bullish back over that price. But yeah, that's what I would simply say on that. It doesn't look too bad. And then low to the high, 236 is at that same level. So yeah, once you get over that, this thing's going to be bullish. It's almost there. It's at 20. And then new high on this one is a very decent move up to $2. It's going to give you a 9.5, almost a 10x. And then if you think it's going to get just under $1 billion market cap at some point, 480, 873 million, almost a 24x. But it looks bullish right now, and it looks like it's about to break out. Axon Dow about to go to the moon. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go over to the other list to look at ADA. Good old ADA. Damn, what am I doing? Oh, Caspa. Damn. If I could have just long Caspa when I wanted to. We're pumping today. That's crazy because it's the weekend. ACH is pumping, still stuck in the pattern. Anyone wondering, in a very bullish setup here on ACH. QNT, the bottom was put in. It's moving, so I'm never going to own 5 QNT. Solana's pumping. Yeah, ADA's pushing. ADA to the moon right now. Let's pull the chart up. It's over the 236. It held the structure down here, looked extremely well. And let's see if we're getting stuck anywhere important. No, it's over the 0.5, the 236. So once you get over 49.6 here, 49.5, you are back to being officially low to the high, short-term bullish here. So just remember that price. Another resistance level coming up, and then we'll go one more. Yeah, it's right at the 0.5 right now, but it is bullish. Bottom is confirmed in and bullish. Bottom confirmed macro. So if it can get over 47 here, 53, and then it'll continue to break out. So 47 right now is your price to watch, 473. But not looking too bad for Cardano. And where's Cardano going this cycle? ADA. If ADA makes a new high this cycle, 229 billion market cap up to 630, be about a 13.5, 14x. If not, it's only going to do about a 5x, 6x, and do a lower high. What's up, AA? Damn, you guys are asking for a lot. I don't know what that means, my man. Vitor says, bro, can you contact Satoshi Analysis CEO? No idea what that means, my man. Stater, yeah, SD, tangent. Yeah, we look at Stater all the time here now. Stater. Alien base. Yeah, we looked at alien base earlier. Alien base. Jupiter. I don't think we've ever looked at Jupiter. I don't know what you're saying. Please to AA. What up, zombie crypto man? What up, AA? Oh, he comes back now with Peanut. Yeah, we're live streaming on 3 different platforms today. But yeah, you guys are asking for a whole lot. And the only one I remember now is Alien Base. On the wrong list. But yeah, we looked at ALB earlier. Not looking too bad. Still holding up. If I can get this to work. Get off my screen. Jeez. We need to go to the Dogecoin chart to see if we're bullish. See if we see the dancing Doge. But yeah, Alien Base, it's down below the 1618 here, but it's pretty much trying to hold on the larger weekly frame here. So if we can manage to hold 30, we're at 299 at the moment, then we can stay bullish. The other thing we did is go low to the high, and you can see we're holding right over almost perfectly on all of these 3-day candles over the 236. So as long as you're over 27, we're still potentially bullish here. 27 down even to 18. 18.9, 19 cents. You would still be macro bullish to push, but we're still holding up here. But the top could very well be in. We'll see. So as I always say, hopefully you guys took profit on Alien Base here. And for Alien Base to hit a billion market cap, it's going to take you up to the top here at about 1040. And from where you are right now, if it continues to hold and run, 36x on this thing to hit a billion market cap. And then of course, if it pulls back, hits the 382 and bounces, that changes into about a 55x. But yeah, very bullish on Alien Base. 88 million, he says, an hour later. Appreciate it though. He says, look at Stella Swap. I don't know what that is. Never heard of Stella Swap. You guys are coming up with some stuff today. Stella Swap to 0. Total value locked. Oh yeah, someone said, what did someone say earlier? I can't even look at this. All right, let me get this chat off of here. Stella Swap on deck screener. Where do you see Bitcoin topping this cycle and when people think in April? Bitcoin's going to top out next November, 200K. Let me get this off. Yeah, I guess we're going to go back to deck screener in a moment. He says SUI. SUI's going to a $50 billion market cap, my man. SUI's going to be a really good play. I was just about to do an update on it today, but I didn't get around to it. But SUI had a nice move. Very bullish chart. It looks like it moved up from when I looked at it about a couple hours ago. So not bad. Low to the new wick high. Not looking bad. As long as you're staying over the previous high here at 2, even down to 187, this thing's extremely bullish. But yeah, it came up and made a new high once again. We'll see if it holds up or it gets a fat pullback here. The last time it did that, it made a high and then a higher high, double top, and then it came all the way down. So just be aware of that. But overall, very bullish on SUI. I'll zoom in. SUI. Draw a tiny fib here. You can see as long as you're over 249, you're still bullish. 249 to 229, you're at 275, so as long as you're over about 250, you're good to go still. But it looks good right now. And then 50 billion market cap. It's probably going to go up to the top one there. I said 50 billion, but 90 billion. $18 for a 6.5x up to a 50 billion market cap from where it is right now. And then a 90 billion, maybe it goes to 100 billion. You can see $33 would give you a 12x from where it is right now. But yeah, I think SUI is going to be a big player this cycle. It's going to be the next potential Solana. What's up, Alicia? Can you check out Miggles? Do you think AVT can go back to $12? What's up, April, Aaron, Bello? Yeah, we're going to go over to Deck Screener in just a moment. Still got 40 people in here. Damn. But Arrow is sitting in a bullish pattern. It looks like it's trying to break out. We've been covering this on Arrow. So yeah, we had this here, but it looks like it's breaking out of this little triangle pattern here. Bullish continuation pattern. Let's go, Arrow to the moon. Arrow stole all my money. But yeah, the next big resistance is 163 here. So from where you are right now, there's no wick. The candle's just moving. Look for resistance at 163, about a 7.5% move. We'll draw something else in just a moment. Oh, it broke this high here, so it's looking good right now. There's really not much you can say. It's bullish out of the pattern here. Maybe making a shot for the previous high. Maybe it's going to make a new high soon, because you can see the measured move here inside this consolidation potentially brings you up to a new high here. It doesn't always have to play out, of course. We know this, but you can see here. Not completely accurate, but you get the idea. But where is Arrow going? The previous chart we had, we were going to about 880 and doing about a 6x, but we switched the chart up here. We're going to be more bullish on Arrow. So Arrow, for everyone calling for 20 bucks, you can see 23 here, 2272, 15 billion market cap, and a 15x. If it goes higher than that, then we have the $40 range, 42, 27 billion, and a 28, 29x on this thing for Arrow. But it's looking good right now, breaking out. I'm just going through what I remember you guys asking for. Velodrome, very bullish on Velo. It's got a nice bounce off of the overall macro uptrend it's been holding. Uptrend and broke the downtrend, good spot. And it's moving, it's over the 0.5, so as long as you're over 8.7, 11 here is the price to beat. If you can break 11, next big stop up is 16. And you'll have the price move up about 65-60% here. But the fact that it's holding the trend here and it's been pumping or been moving. And then if we go high to the low, yeah, that 382 is right there also. So if you can get over the 618 here, you will be bullish at that point. And it'll probably start moving up, which of course it will move up. But then Velodrome here, 1618 retracement up to pretty much $1 is going to get you almost a 10x, a 9.5x to an 833 million market cap. And if it's going to hit the multi-billion market caps, 3.4 to be exact, $4, that is a 39x. But I do think this is very possible, that first target here. So Velo, this cycle is good for a 10x from where it is right now. Teresa said she's going in on Todd for 50. Wish me luck. Good luck. My voice is starting to go out. Yeah, that's the plan. $50 seeds on all these little coins that could potentially do good moves. Just let it ride, not financial advice. We got flip coins in the house. How's it going? Doing okay today? But yeah, we seem to be bullish today. Yeah, I gotta go check Rumble because I know I'm supposed to be live on Rumble. Let's see here. But yeah, for anyone coming in and out, hit the like button, subscribe, share. If you're on Rumble, someone go over there and say hi, see if it's working. Because I don't see anything here. There's nothing happening on Rumble. Oh, it's got 18 views. It says 18 raw views. Oh, you can hear it. All right, it's live over there. You guys heard that. 18 people came in and out and said nope. I guess we're going over to Deck Screener for a minute. Miggles on Deck Screener. Yeah, I know you guys are down here begging me to look at stuff. SUKU. What does the SUKU mean? What is SUKU doing? April, yeah, we looked at Moonwell. Moonwell's not doing anything. It's still bullish. It's still holding up. And as long as it stays over 64 to 66, it's still bullish. It has to break over 10.4 over the macro 618 to have any kind of breakout up. But if it loses 6.3 or 6.4 to 6.6, then it is going to retrace down pretty good. But I guess we're going to switch over to Deck Screener for a moment. We're almost 2 hours in already. Damn, I'm surprised. But yeah, we're bullish on PNG. I don't know how you guys are not bullish on PNG and AI. It's still holding up. Very strong hold over the 1272 at 2.1. You say, can it get to $2? Yes, it can. Once it finally breaks out, that's exactly where it's going. But yeah, $2 on PNG. Why not? Yeah, everything's moving right now. Oh, PNG or Moonwell's moving. Damn, I'm getting left behind, huh? Make sure I didn't miss anything. Chat's been going. Oh, I can click the button. Oh, okay, never mind. Damn. One super chat on the day. We are bullish. UT. All right, let me go peek at Moonwell. But X is quiet. No one's on Rumble. I guess it is Saturday, so. Is Well moving, or is it moving on the 1 minute time frame? But yeah, whoever asked for Well just now, Well is potentially gearing up to go again. Those levels I told you to watch, low to the high, 6.4, smaller time frame, low to the high, 6.6. As long as you're over those levels, you're holding up, and you can see here clearly, if it holds those levels, it's starting to form after the move up, a very bullish triangle pennant pattern here. So if we stay inside this pattern and hold those levels, then yeah, it's going to start moving again. It's getting the energy built up right now to blow through the macro 618 at 10.4. And then once you get over high to the low macro 618, that is where this thing can start running. It officially sends you up to the upside. Officially start the moonbound mission, even though it may not happen overnight. But yeah, it's looking good at the moment. We'll see if it holds up. As the more you build here in this pattern, the bullisher you can be on the price here. Yeah, I went over drift today. You guys see drift still moving? All right, I'm going to deck screen and just let me peek at drift. Did it go up? Yeah, still got the large wick here, but it went up since I looked at it. But yeah, hopefully you guys made some good profit on drift there. All right, we got to go over to deck screener, but I see Oliver keeps asking for Orca. I know you guys are asking for a lot, but you guys got to just keep reminding me. Orca, yeah, Orca looks good. From the last time we looked at it, broke the trend, back tested it, made a higher low, held our green box, held the 382. The W double bottom higher low pattern seems to be playing out. It's moving up, moving on up here. Damn, I erased the wrong thing here. It looks like it's getting right now stuck right at the 618. So it is moving along with everything else. It needs to get over 464. But once you get over 464, you break that macro level and time to move up from there. High to the low. Yeah, we got a double 618 there. So big price to get over is this 618. But a lot of resistance here also. So just keep that in mind. Even though we're green today, tomorrow's Sunday, another weekend day, we could come right back down. A lot of things are getting stuck at some heavy resistance. If it's not, it's kind of holding up and trying to form what we just looked at on well. It's trying to hold up and form and accumulate and bullish and be bullish at some point. Why is this not clicking this? Orca, but Orca, new high on Orca, 3.5 billion market cap, 16x up to 68 bucks. What is UTHX? Is that a meme coin? Yeah, it must be, because that ain't coming up. All right, let me switch over to deck screener because we're coming up on that 2-hour mark already. Damn, my brain would work. Oh, we're lagging here. That's what's happening. He says, I don't understand why PNG has been saying for 10 months that V3 is almost done and still nothing. I don't know what to tell you on that. That's because it's crypto. All the tech and everything that goes into whatever you're looking at, you can be bullish on it or whatever, but it most of the time really doesn't mean anything. We've seen that from the past with Litecoin, Cardano. Not trying to bash anything, but I'm just saying. But, you know, all the promises, Shiba, the prices, the promises, the tech, whatever, does nothing. You guys know that when we hit the bull market and we go up, that when the bear market hits, everything's going to go right back down 90 to 100%. Nothing's going to stay up because of tech. It's all going to go back to zero. So that's why you guys need to be prepared now and take profit and don't get caught up in all that. That's when you lose. I learned the hard way. Don't be a moon boy on, like I was on Shiba and what was it? Cardano I had, Shiba I had. Got into the communities, became moon boy, believed in the tech and the prices and everything else. It's the best thing under the sun. And it did not come close to the expectations that I thought. Same thing with back in the day with Litecoin and Cosmos. Do not get married to a project because of the tech or the use case. Am I typing this wrong? Oh no, this is the one I was watching. Oh no, is this the one you're asking for? I wanted to buy this one. Oh no, why? This is one of the ones I wanted to plant a little seed in, put one Solana in this thing, damn it. Damn. I don't know if this is, I must be looking at the wrong one, but this is the one I've been watching. Look at this. This thing is extremely bullish inside of this pattern here. Strong move up, and then it's just been accumulating, getting squeezed, and now it popped. First little leak, and now it's back testing it perfectly. And it's about to go to the moon. Not financial advice. Yeah, this one looks extremely good in my opinion. Once it breaks over the 618s at 265, she's gonna blow. Another one to put a good little 50 bucks in right now because it just confirmed the breakout and back test. 10x. 10x your 50 bucks, my man, my woman, whoever wants to buy it. Not financial advice. I'll just say my guy. Everyone can be guys. Or buddy. But you said with a on the end. SUKU? Ain't that a dragon or something? Tsuka. Alright, let me go back over here to the chat. Tiuska. I'm spelling it wrong. Nope, no, I'm not. Tuska. Does not exist. All right, what is it on? Solana, Ethereum. Is it the only one here with a picture? All right, so it's the top one. Top one, I would imagine, ETH, Ethereum. This one? It's got some history, so that's good to see. $5 million market cap. Been going to zero forever. Had one little pump. This it? I would imagine this is it. Teresa says chain swap. Chain swap. What is that on? It's good to see new faces in here, though. Hopefully you guys like it and subscribe. A lot of new people in here today. Some older people, but I don't know where everyone is. But I'm just going to go ahead and move forward with it. Double bottom potentially with a slightly higher low. Looks bullish, could be the bottom. That will be confirmed once you get over 9.6, bullish over 1.6, 0.16. So a penny and a half, this thing will be bullish once again. And then just to see where this thing could end up, low market cap Ethereum gamble play. If you're just going to buy and hold, decent move here, not bad. So if this thing is going to run 82x almost, cannot beat that. Another little $50 gamble play. Hell, if you throw 50 bucks at it and it comes up here and makes a lower high, 13.5, 14x from where it is right now, potentially. Which it is, looks like it's trying to curl up here after coming all the way down. But yeah, not a bad looking one, not a bad gamble here. Down 98% almost, so yeah. Checks the boxes here, so not bad. SUKU ABT. Yeah, I don't know what chain swap is. Matthew, I'm telling you, charge for coin. Charge TA per coin. Yeah, may have to. Had so many requests today and only one super chat. And we're bullish today. It's crazy. Stella swap. Yeah. Let's see how many people we got. 7 on Twitter. Yeah, I might have to get off here and do some more updates. I got to get some more views going on the channel. Yeah, we looked at, oh no, we didn't look at Arc Block. Was that all on Deck Screener? Yeah, Matthew, I told you before, there's some guy on YouTube, I don't remember what channel it is, but he does that. He has it on his videos. If you want me to look at something, I'll charge you $2. I thought that was crazy. I'll look at it within a week, I think he says. Or he'll do an update within a week, something like that. I don't remember. All right, so we're gonna go look at Arc Block and maybe chain swap. I don't remember what that's on. Looked at Orca. Appreciate all you guys coming in here though. Damn, what was I looking at? Yeah, Arc Block looks good here. It's bullish. Inside of our little bull flag pattern after a little strong move up. So once you break over 181 on Arc Block, it should break out to the upside here and have a decent little run up to the next stop, 2618 at 3, and decent 90% move. And then, yeah, that would also break over the 382. So you're over the 236 at 144, 145. So the bottom is confirmed. And then bullish over this and break out from this pattern over that price there. But it is looking good in this good setup here. But yeah, Arc Block to the moon here. Arc block, potentially another 20x in the tank to the top of the fib at 32 for a 3 billion market cap from where it is right now inside that bullish pattern. Yeah, you can hear my voice starting to go out already. 2 hours of straight talking, not used to that. Even after doing all these live streams, when it gets around the 2 hour mark, it's just like I gotta do something. Yeah, I forgot Stella Swap. Vitor coming in here asking for everything, huh? Sub Shadow, glad to see you in here. Flip up 30% since you covered it. Yeah, there's so many good plays out there. T13, Ape into SUKU. You're not too late. I know I'm not too late. I just don't have the money to. I would have to pull money out of my sorority, which is down already. That's why I'm just going to hold my sorority. It's down so far. I'm just going to hold it and see if it does 100x or whatever it's going to do. Yeah, I don't know where you guys hear of this stuff. Stella swap and chain swap. Hopefully you guys are millionaires and making money on this crap. Chain swap. I look at crypto every day and I never heard of some of this. Probably someone told you it's good tech. It's the next big swap. Buy in, pile in while you can. It's going to be the next big Uniswap. Never the case. Never going to happen. Not a bad looking chart on chain swap here. High to the low. It's over the 236 at 3.4. Bottom is confirmed. It's getting stuck right at the 382 at 4.8. So if it can get over this and make a new high, then you may have something here. But that's why you're getting stuck where you're getting stuck. But a beautiful double bottom pattern here for potentially a move up. So 4.8 here, pretty much 5 pennies, and then you can be bullish on this thing. A breakout over 8.6. And then how high can it go? Nobody knows. A new high on this one is a 9.5x from where you are today at 41 up to the 1272 new high here. Chain swap to the moon. Everyone pile in. Sub to closer. Yeah, swell and consolidation. I just covered swell. I'd have to go look at the smaller time frame. What do you mean by they fudding chat? What does that mean? Yeah, I may have to do something. Because I do get people coming in here and they're asking for 10 different coins. I'm just gonna have to remember names and be like, nope. You get 1 freebie, 2 freebies maybe. No freebies. Get the hell out of here. Should be more of a hard ass. But what was I looking at? Oh, I was gonna look at the... Are you in on it, Charles? Charles making that money. What was I doing? Damn, my mind went blank. We're getting to that point to where I looked at too many coins and now my brain is dead. Vitor killed my brain. Oh yeah, we're looking at chain swap. But yeah, chain swap potentially has a good decent move in its future. Not looking bad chart wise. Up almost 64% on the week. Shadow says, do like Vision, saying the market sucks. You should set up a bot where they enter 1 or 2 coins. You see the list on your end. Yeah, I got to think of something, but I don't want to do something that's going to turn people off to the channel because, you know, we're trying to grow here, but I don't want to straight out ask for money. I don't know if that's the thing to do or not. But I see other YouTubers doing that, and I'm just like, really? But then now I'm going to turn into the same thing of what I don't like. Vitor here is starting to pay with hearts. He's got little hearts going on. Nice, up 400 on the day. What was I looking at? Oh yeah, you said, what'd you say was consolidating? Oh yeah, swell. I just did a swell update for the first time. Swell to the moon. Swell network, is it consolidating? Damn, where did I look at this thing at? Yeah, it's right at the 0.5. That's where it's getting stuck. Oh yeah, it looks good here. If you go all the way down to the 4-hour chart, he says, is it consolidating? It looks to be inside of, excuse me, inside the little bullish pattern here. Looks like bullish consolidation to me. But yeah, to answer your question, yeah, I think it is. Swell to the moon. Once it gets over 6.4, 8 is next. But if it consolidates and stays here, looking bullish like it is, the next big spike up, potentially another 31%. Swell to the moon. Can you look at Peanut, please? We tried to look at Peanut. You guys got to come and tell me what it's on. You can't just say a name, say a ticker. Say Peanut on Sol. Give me the exact address. I'm just kidding. Price prediction for Swell. So did Swell just get listed on Coinbase? Is that the reason for not dying? It was dying and then Coinbase listed it and it went to the moon. It's probably the case, but I do not know. The new high on this one, 1272, almost $500 million market cap on Swell would get you a 5.5, close to a 6x here. And I would guess near $1 billion market cap would take you up to the 1618. So if you think it's going to hit $1 billion market cap, decent 12.5, 13x from where it is now. So yeah, that's where it could potentially end up. We got Charles for 20 for a super sticker. I appreciate that. I can't see the super stickers where I am. I appreciate the 20. You just saved the stream. Charles for the win. Listed Friday on Coinbase. Okay, yeah. Oliver, we did Orca. I think you asked for Orca, and I did Orca. You guys come in here and ask for something, and then you leave and then come back. I guess. I don't know. But I appreciate the super sticker from Charles. Charles over there making that money. You guys think we're going to be bullish tomorrow as well? Dude, come on now. I appreciate the 20. This dude took me serious. Vitor sent me the whole address for Stella Swap. Yeah, don't forget to take your profits if you're holding ADA. I held ADA 4 years ago. I took profits on the way up. Missed those times. I guess since Stella Swap's going to be the last one, my man. Stella Swap. But ADA is going to pull back. I might start charging $2 a coin, I guess. Caspa to the moon, man. Someone said they were going to get in on Caspa long if it broke a certain level. I don't remember what they said. Maybe it was a 382 at 13.5, but it's getting stuck here right now. Bullish over that level on Caspa. But if you would have long down here, man. ADA to the moon, QNT to the moon, Sol to the moon. We already went over this. Yeah, I mean, right now on ADA, so we're on the weekly chart. We'll look at this and then we'll zoom into the 3 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, whatever. But right now, okay, it's above the 0.5 now. So if you can stay over 47 and hold, then you do have a shot at moving up to 53, which it looks like it wants to right now. So it's still bullish right now. %, move, another 10% to 53. High to the low 618. If you can get over 53, then you got something going here. But it looks good. It broke the structure. It broke through the resistance levels. Let's go all the way to the 4 hour time frame. Not that reliable, but looking on the small time frame of just the wick it has now, if you can stay over 47.5, it's still bullish, down to 46.5, which, you know, it could come down at any moment. But if you stay over these levels, it's going to continue to push. But yeah, don't be afraid to take profits. Even if you bought up here and you're down and it's up again, just don't come away empty-handed. But yeah, we're getting a nice little run on a lot of things today. If we stay bullish tomorrow, then it'll continue to run. But yeah, I would just say watch 47 right now on Cardano. Let's see here. How long you been in on ADA Universal? We got Samuel for 10. I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. Appreciate the support. Finally got a couple super chats in here. Got to hit my quota for the day before I can log off. Or I'm your guy's slave here. I'm just going to be working forever. Yeah, I did an update, Vitor, on Marinade on the channel. Go check it out. Damn, flips up another 20%. Jeez. This is like last night. We were all looking at Drift, and Drift was just going up. I wish it was that easy. Get in with my $20. It's not that easy. You don't get YouTube money until the middle of the month. So for October, I'm getting my October YouTube money, my October check, on the 23rd of this month. And then what you just sent me, I won't get till the 23rd of December. But yeah, that's how that works. Dollar by the end of November. Dollar by November. Yeah, could very well happen. Or maybe halfway up here and then December. Nice pump up right now, then a pullback, and then up in December, pullback, and then up in the spring to the moon. We're getting so close. Hopefully you guys are ready. But this is the times, I guess, where it's hard. If you've been holding Cardano from back here in the lows and it came down and now it's pumping again, you're not sure if you need to hold or sell. Just think next year this thing's going to be all the way up here. All the way up here. Choices, choices. AP13. What is AP13? Because it's not showing up. Yeah, I remember a couple of months ago or a month ago when Ape ran. Yeah, I don't know what AP13 is. Should I wait for SUI to pull back or jump in now? API 3, oh, okay. SUI. Yeah, we looked at SUI earlier. Dang it, Bobby. Dang it. Someone needs to share the hang kill emoji. SUI, I don't remember what we said on SUI. That's a hard question. I personally never buy green candles. Every time I do, it's the top. That's really all I can say on that. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, that's really all I can say. If you don't own any, I don't think I would jump in now. Just made a new high. Could repeat history. History being the double top, and then it fell off the table. Double top. Pull back. But to be fair, it did get stuck at the previous high on that one. This one broke. So at any moment, at any time, you could go up and you could go down, of course, but it could pull back to retest the high that you blew through. 26% drop. And then I believe we just went over this. It's about 247, 248. As long as you hold above that, it's potentially still bullish, but as for pulling back, I can't tell you. All right, he sent me the address and everything, so I guess I got to go look at Stella Swap. Stella Swap. Oh, he sent me the damn address. Now I gotta go look at it. You kidding me? Oh, this thing's coming down. Lower high, it's gonna pull back to 0. Jeez. What is TIA ban? Can't look at that because the boy, he said goodnight. He's out. TIA, I know we've looked at this one before. Yeah. Yeah, it looks bullish here on the macro. It moved up since we looked at it. Double bottom with a potential higher low. It needs to break over where it's getting stuck now at 565 to confirm the bottom. And then bullish over 728. And then low to the high, came down 786 support and held that final support level and bounced. So very good looking double bottom with a higher low here off of that final support level. Everything you want to see for a move up. And then once you break through that, the 382 is up next in about a 32% move. And then the new high on this one from where you are now is going to take you up to the 1272 at 33, 13.7 billion market cap and a 6x. But not looking too bad where it is right now. Very bullish looking setup on the whole thing there. But yeah, this is the right one, I believe. Yeah, doesn't look bad. Oh, it's on the Cosmos chain. Okay. Back in the day, Cosmos to the moon, and it never did anything, huh? All right, we're 2.5 hours in. We're gonna have to end it here. Charles says, do flip again. Flip again to the moon. But yeah, flip, and then we're gonna end it here because I can't make these too long to where people aren't gonna want to watch them after the fact. 2.5 hour live stream. Not bad. We covered a lot yet again. Maybe I should make a poll. You guys think I should make a poll? Good night, Vitor. Come back tomorrow. Flip. But yeah, for anyone still here that's been here, there's only 23 people left. Do you guys think I should make a poll? Maybe I'll do it tomorrow since there's no one here. Maybe I should let members, if you're a member on the channel, if you ask for a coin, I'll cover it. And then, I don't know. I need you guys' input. I'm going over to deck screener, but members, you know, if you're a member and you're paying for a monthly membership, which is only $2, you know, if you're on the live stream, I'll cover your coin, maybe 2 coins, because you are a member and you are supporting the channel. And if you're not a member, if you come on here asking for 5 to 10 different coins, like our boy Vitor here, or someone else in the past that always comes in here, they're asking for everything. They're blocking up the chat. Should we charge $2 a coin is the question. Because this does take a lot of effort. Which right now my brain is fried. Okay, here we go. He said flip is still running. Flip to the moon. Flip the frog. It is still moving. Damn. It came right up to the 618. So if this thing can break over 4.4, then you're in business, like business. But it is at that 618, so it could get stuck here and pull back. Just be aware of that. But if it does break through, 69% move up to the next stop at 6.6. To the evil spot. You can see the 786 is 666. So be careful. Or the undead will get you. Which is not completely accurate, by the way, so. But yeah, hopefully it keeps running for you. Wake up tomorrow and you'll have a good 5.5x on your hand. I want all you guys to make money. But yeah, Ada on the news that Charles Hodgkinson has been announced as Trump administrator crypto advisor. Is that for real? Is that for real? For real? So if that's for real, and then he's potentially going to give some kind of spot to Elon, we may have a very large bull run on our hands this cycle. All right, I'm going to run a poll on the channel. I'm not going to do it on the live stream because a lot of the people that are usually here aren't here. But I'm going to run a poll for everyone here listening on the community tab. I'm going to run a poll over there. And you guys answer honestly. Not fake news. Okay. Not fake news. Victor, or Vitor, if you promise to come back tomorrow, subscribe to the channel and watch the videos on the channel, I will look at Gecko before I head out the door. If I could spell right. We looked at this one the other day. Is it this one? No, where's it at? I know we looked at it. Gecko on Soul. Gecko AI. I swore we looked at this one. Damn it. Put my foot in my mouth, didn't I? Not a bad looking chart. It's another one. Downtrend was in play. Broke the downtrend. It's curling up. It's going to the moon. Get ready to be rich. It's over the 236. Bottom is confirmed in over 189. Bullish over 40. Let's see what kind of multiplier Gecko has here. Hopefully this is the right coin because I'm done talking. And we have a winner. 155x to a new high on Gecko on Soul. 1.7 million market cap, 27,000 holders. Not a bad one. Good find. Broke the downtrend and it's curling up. Not a bad one. Peanut 88 million. Yeah, you keep asking for that. Yeah, that's exactly why I got to make a poll. because I missed so much in the chat, and I know you guys want me to cover them, but it's just not humanly possible to cover everything you guys asked for. Peanut 88 million. We're going to end it on Peanut. We're going to say a prayer for Peanut as we lay him to rest. Peanut. I guess it's the same one here. This has to be it. This chart looks exactly like the SUI chart. SUI to the moon. Flip to the moon. This is it, huh? This has to be it. Still got 38 people in here. Can you imagine if we did like a 6-hour stream? One day we're gonna have to plan for that and plan ahead. I'm gonna have to make some coffee. But if this is it, had a pump up, formed a very bullish consolidation pattern here, pumped to the moon again, came down because it did form a tiny bear flag, it looks like, and then pulled. But simple. Yeah, I'll just draw from here. 4-hour candles on Peanut. Let's just zoom this in. It broke the previous high for just a moment, but then came back down. Not the best respecter of the levels here, but when are they ever? So it's down below the 786. As long as you're above 7.0, that's your support. Really all I can say. Bullish chart because it did make a higher high and it's a higher low here. And you just bounced off the 382 perfectly at 7.7. That's what you like to see. Low, high, 382 bounce. It needs to get back over 9.3 and then eventually break that high. And then a new high on this one to continue. 147% move up to about 21 pennies. It doesn't look bad after the run up. Very bullish looking overall macro chart, even though it is the 4-hour candles. Peanut to the moon. I can't read your name. What is that? Shidikdawa? What the hell? Is that a real name? If it is, I don't know how to say it. Do you hold ABT? No, I do not. I hold nothing but Sol Ordi at the moment. I held a couple of meme coins, gamble coins, only because I was gifted the money to do so, and it's all gone. But you reminded me to look at Sol Ordi real quick. Back in January, I owned some coins. I owned Elon and a bunch of others with quite a bit of money in them, but it's all gone now. Yeah, my Sol Ordi's still looking good. Sol Ordi's going to 100x for me and save me. But yeah, I appreciate everyone coming in here. I appreciate the couple of super chats. I appreciate the support. Everyone liked the video on your way out. Appreciate all you guys coming in here every day, helping, supporting. And we'll just keep the ball rolling here. We'll be back on here tomorrow for another live stream. I don't know what time of day. Remember, look out on the channel. I'm going to put up a poll because we're going to see what we're going to do with the coins we're asked for, because people come on here and ask for coins and then I forget about them because other people come on here and ask for 1,000 coins, and then I know I miss out on members asking for coins. And it's fair, if you're a member, you should have at least, you should be able to ask for a couple of coins. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll work it out. But yet again, none of this is financial advice. Good luck, everyone, and everything you're doing tonight. And I will see you in the next live stream. Appreciate you all. Peace out.